Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make the perfect Escovitch sauce for your fried fish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1. And also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So I have my Scotch bonnet pepper, my carrot, and also my onion. So I'm going to go in and slice up my Scotch bonnet pepper. Some persons don't like the sauce because it's probably a little bit too spicy for them. But remember, you can always adjust the ingredients, alright? So you can always put less of the Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to go in and, of course, I already sliced up my pepper, as I said, and this is my Scotch bonnet pepper, and I also gonna slice up my onion in some rings. And if you guys want to go ahead and add some bell peppers, you can always go ahead and add bell peppers if you choose to, although I think that bell pepper take away the taste from the sauce. So if you don't want to add any bell pepper, then that is okay, or if you don't have any at home. So once I'm finished with the onion, I'm gonna go in and slice up my carrot in some strips. So I'm just trying to pull the onions apart. That will save me some time when it's time to prepare the sauce, alright? So as I said earlier, I'm gonna go in and slice up my carrot in some strips, not too big, not too small. And guys, just a note, when you're doing your Escovitch sauce, it doesn't matter what shape you want to slice up your carrot in, really. Alright, it's up to you. So if you don't want to do strips and you want to do some circles, that is okay. Always do what you're comfortable doing or what you can manage. Alright, especially to beginners. So for those of you who are the first time you're making this sauce, whatever you feel comfortable doing, just work with that. All right, so now that I'm finished doing all of that, I'm gonna just go ahead and add a small amount of vegetable oil to my frying pan, and then I'm gonna add the Scotch bonnet pepper first and also the onion, and then I'm gonna go in and add the carrots, and I will also go ahead and add some of the pimento berries or pimento seed, whatever you call it. I'm gonna add it to it as well. If you don't have any pimento berries, remember you can always substitute. And guys, also if you don't have any carrot, you can always use the onion and the Scotch bonnet pepper and just a small amount of sugar. Alright, so once I added all of that, give that a nice stir, and then I'm gonna go in and add some white vinegar. And guys, just a note, you don't want your carrot or any of the other vegetables to be too soft, so you have to be careful. I cook this for roughly about a minute, not long, just a minute, and it is perfect. So I'm gonna add the vinegar, as I said earlier, and just to tone down the taste of the vinegar a little, I'm gonna add some brown sugar. Or if you have granulated sugar, you can always go ahead and add granulated sugar. Combine all of that together and probably just leave it on the stove for another minute. And then I'll serve it up quick and fast. And remember that you have to allow it to cool, guys. Just allow it to cool down for about 10 or 5 minutes, depending on if you're going to eat it right away. But always allow it to cool down for a couple minutes before you have it, alright? So basically we're finished with the sauce, so we're just gonna serve this up on our fish, and then that's it. Quick and easy. So there you have it, guys. I'm just gonna serve this up on my parrot fish, and that's basically it. I'm out of the kitchen within 5 minutes. I'm out of the kitchen. So go ahead and try this recipe and let me know what you think. And remember to subscribe to my channel and share. Remember to tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.